Welcome to the channel everyone. Today I'm going to show you another SwiftUI tip, which is ViewThatFits. This is a view that was introduced with iOS 16, and let's have a look at the documentation for this one. ViewThatFits, as the documentation say, it adapts to the available space by providing the first child view that fits. So it takes the precedence. If you have multiple child views, it will take the first one which fits the view. And it was introduced in iOS 16, iPad 16, tvOS 16, and visionOS 1.0. Whatever view modifiers or views that we go through the channel, I would encourage you to always go to the developer.apple.com and try to find that documentation and read about it. There is always more to what we share with you. So let's see that in action. So this is how you define view that fits, and then you wrap your content around that view. So let's start with an example. Let's say I have a VStack and I have a bunch of items which I want to iterate, let's say 0 to 5. And then I want to just say text. This is the index, right? I can probably take an index here and then I can just say index, right? I'll do this closed one and then give some padding and maybe change the font to large title. You can see that my items are rendered. Let's say if I increase the number to 15 and refresh my view, the items are there, but let me make this a little bit smaller. So the items are there, but I can't scroll because I'm using a VStack. And if I use a scroll view here, I can scroll them. But what if I want to use VStack if the number is, available, if the available width is enough to fit all the items, but I want to use a scroll view otherwise. So how do I do that? So let's first remove this is how I usually do it. So I usually create another view, which is content, and then I will move my VStack and loop inside that. And then what I want to do now here is I want to do view that fits content. If it fits the content, use that. Otherwise, wrap my content inside a scroll view. You can see that now it's showing the scroll view. And now if I change the item to 5, refresh, and it's using a VStack. And this is how you use view that fits in your code. Let me know if you find anything else or another use case about this view that you are using it for, and let me know that in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.